Siemens Smart Infrastructure presents the Safe Program Board Widget Teaser version 1.2.6. So let's go to RTC. Here we are in RTC and you see the Safe Program Board widget. How can you get this one? You go to Add Widget. You will find here on the left hand side the BT add-ons, and here we go, the Safe Program Board widget. You can just add it. Currently we have provided the version 1.6. So here I've already instantiated this widget and configured it with nice colors. If you click the title, it opens and you can work with that one. So first of all, I would like to show you how you can easily drag and drop stories from one sprint to the other. It's very easy. And you can, the same way, also drag new dependencies. In order to do so, you need to click this Drag Dependencies button, and then you can start, for example, here with this story. You drag it to this story over here, and then maybe one more. And then finally, it contributes to this feature in the IP sprint. You can also easily remove dependencies you have just created. In order to do so, you call the context menu, go to the point dependencies, and then you remove, for example, the blocker. Or you go to this one and you want to remove all. Then it looks like this. Here we have a story that contributes to, for example, this feature. If we move this feature to this sprint, then you see it gets crosshatched. That means this story delivers too late for this feature. You can figure this out by going to Child Work Items, Show, and then you see a story with an exclamation mark, and then you see this one is the reason for this crosshatch. You can also click on this story and then choose Highlight Siblings, and then you see all the stories or all the work items that contribute to the same feature. You click on Clear View, or you can do the same with just a double click. You double click and then you see the siblings. You double click again and then you have cleared the view. We have also implemented a powerful search function. So you see you can search for something with a filter, and you can also search not for something. For example, I type find me, and then you see I have here a feature which has find me in the title. So next is this auto refresh. If you click on auto refresh, this widget gets automatically refreshed according to the interval you have set up. Currently we have 5 seconds. It doesn't make sense. It's just for the demo, but you can use this widget, for example, during PI planning. So it gets automatically auto refreshed whatever the teams are doing. Setting up this widget is actually very easy. You just go to the menu of this widget, go to settings, and then you find here, select data source. You can choose your favorite query. In the open setup, you have 2 tabs. You can go to show advanced settings, then you can merge cross PI iterations. You can load external dependencies, and here is the auto refresh interval, for example, 5 seconds, as I told you before. And then finally, in the open color settings, you can define a color for each team. You can choose the color of the arrows, for example, green for a valid dependency and red for a blocking dependency. And also the frame, the border of the work item can be chosen. For example, here it is black. Okay, so that's it. So have fun with the Safe Program Board widget provided by Siemens Smart Infrastructure.